Greetings everyone. Welcome to week 5 of the Online Learning Consortium's Spatial Thinking and Web Mapping Mastery Series course. Joseph Kursky here with you to talk about what we're going to do in week 5. Now week 5 of the course reflects back to what we did in week 1. Remember week 1 we had readings and reflections in a forum, and we also had hands-on activities, and then we had a quiz, a self-assessment that you can use to assess your own progress. Same thing here with week 5. We're now regrouping after we've had some independent time in weeks 2, 3, and 4, and in week 5 we'll gather back together. And what we're going to do is, in the readings and reflections, we're going to reflect how stories can be told through maps. Now maps have been used to tell stories for thousands of years, and now we've got a series of tools at our fingertips that allow us to build what's called story maps that are very compelling, that incorporate audio, video, sketches, and text, and lots more, photographs, etc., into a storytelling, multimedia form of communication. They can also be used for instructive purposes as an assessment tool for you as an instructor to use to assess your students' progress. Secondly, we're going to browse Esri story maps and reflect on one of particular interest to you. Now, you're not limited to one, but I'm just going to have you do one for the purposes of week 5. I encourage you to keep going in this online gallery, because there's lots there. In our hands-on component, we're going to do several things. Specifically, number 1, we're going to add multimedia to maps using ArcGIS Online. Multimedia can take many forms, as I've mentioned. Number 2, we're going to examine 2 stories using lessons and live web maps. The Serengeti Road proposals in Africa, and number 2, the story of explorer Ada Blackjack, who went to the Arctic Ocean inside ArcGIS Online back in the 1920s. Number 3, we're going to map and analyze the spatial and temporal pattern of real-time data, for example, global earthquakes, using ArcGIS Online. So those are the hands-on pieces that we're going to delve into. The short quiz is going to be about the content and skills that helps you reflect on your learning, as I mentioned, and that helps your instructor, me, assess your progress. So we'll have a lot of interaction, we're going to do a lot of hands-on work, and we're going to delve into some of the core things that make up this whole online web mapping world that is all around us. Thanks. We'll see you.